started rhyming on some throwbacks. Now I'm on some new shit. I might have to hurt this track, call my swag abusive. I started off doing poetry, now I'm writing music. Y'all say y'all writing too, but I don't see y'all. Y'all translucent, y'all some Maggie niggas. Y'all ain't nothing but a nuisance. And all your rhymes are lame, to say the least. It's sleep inducing. My swag is on creatine, call it beast, I think it's juicing. Your swag is the same old thing, equilibrium, never moving, never doing what I do, never cruising how I cruise. I'm an animal out of the zoo, there's no fucking with me or none of my crew. Punch you in the face, but I'm striking in twos. There ain't no way that I'm gonna lose. You end up on the news, have your mother singing the blues. She might try to sue, but I'll come for her too. I'm making you mad, what you gonna do? You better think twice before you step with the Zeus. You have no name, you John Doe. You have no stand, you a tidy bow. You have no fame, you get no shows. You have no game, you get no hoes. You stay so low, you're an average Joe. Abandoned bakery, nigga, you get no dough. There I go, emo. I'm a boss, I do my thing. I'm killing tracks and I'm only 17. Never born with that silver spoon or fork. Got that Jersey boy swag, I'm from North. I got a whole lot of music, a whole lot of rhymes, a whole lot of spirit, but a little bit of time. Never know what can happen, never know who might hate you, never know who wants you dead. That's just something we call fate. So till then, I'm gonna work hard, earn my stripes, do my part. I've just begun, it's just the start. F what you heard, I got heart, spit that fresh shit like the teen. Stay on my toes like I'm fencing. I'm so sick like gangrene, my tracks are crack, music fiend. Alright.